Let's start with Irma here, and I'll show you the latest. Here's a satellite picture. We'll zoom in a little bit. You see that well-defined eye there, that very westerly to west-southwesterly motion. You can see actually a little, if you just watch the eye, you'll see that little jog down to the southwest there. And you'll notice this here. Let me zoom in on this for you a little bit. So a series now of watches and warnings have been issued, including hurricane warnings for Antigua, Barbuda here, Guadalupe under a hurricane watch. We've got the Virgin Islands under a hurricane watch as well. So a tropical storm much farther south. So we got a lot going on here. These islands could be impacted over the next couple of days as Irma continues to make its way over to the west. So when we put this into motion, possibly a Category 4 hurricane by this evening, and then traveling a little more westerly and west-northwesterly than the previous forecast. Winds at 145, still a Cat 4. Still a Cat 4 as it makes its way either over or very close to Hispaniola by Thursday, and then Friday making its way toward Cuba here. And you notice how big the cone is here, and that's because the computer models have not quite come together yet with a more concise forecast once we get past Friday. So that's why the cone is so big, meaning it could end up all the way down here or all the way up here. But over the next couple of days, some of the trickier variables involved in trying to forecast this storm will be moved out of the way, and we'll get a much better idea by Tuesday and Wednesday of where this storm is going and what it could mean for us. The computer models are in good agreement over the next few days. You see there's quite a split toward the end here. European model taking it up toward the Carolinas. The American model currently bringing it up toward Florida. There's some models taking it to the Gulf. These models are going to change around a lot over the next few days. So don't panic about it. Don't get stressed out. Just keep up to date on the forecast as we continue through the rest of the week. We still have time to watch this storm.